So it's Sunday morning and I decided I would vlog a little bit of today. I'm in the kitchen right now. It's almost 10 o'clock, as you can see. It would focus, there we go. And I'm just going to make some pancakes with this. Can you see that? No. Let me put it on the counter. And there we go. We're gonna try making pancakes. I haven't used this before, so let's see how it works. So I'm in the rabbit barn now, and I'm going to be putting some rabbits out in the sunshine since it's so nice outside, and of course you can't see because it's not. There we go. Sorry about that. So there's the dog. It's really windy today though. So I'm going to take some bunnies out and I'll show you that. So I'm outside at the moment. And I've got Autumn in this pen here. She likes this one. And it's just made out of NIC grids and she can go in that. And then over here in this large pen. Oh, it's okay, buddy. I've got Baxley, as you can see. He's super cute. And he's going to be in here for a little while. Probably a couple hours. He's trying to hide. What is he doing? Anyways, so that's what I've got out right now. I wish I had more pens, but I don't at the moment. So that's what I've got. Yeah. I don't know if you can tell right now, but if you look at the trees up there, you can tell it's super windy. So usually I do clean the rabbits on Sunday, but I may clean them on Monday since it's spring break and I don't have school anyway. So we'll see about that, but I'm going to go inside for now and maybe I'll film some videos and we'll see. Good morning, guys. It is Monday morning and I'm continuing the vlog from yesterday, so the vlog will be actually Sunday and Monday. And right now I'm going to be cleaning my room and I'm filming that as a separate video, so keep a lookout for that video. But that's what I'm going to be doing this morning, and I'm planning in the afternoon to clean my rabbits since usually I clean them on Sunday, but the weather was really not so nice yesterday, so I decided I would do them today instead. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. For breakfast, I'm going to be eating just a banana with peanut butter since it's already 10:30 and I woke up late today. So I just like eating bananas and peanut butter. And yeah. I just wanted to show you guys this really quickly. You would have seen it in the video yesterday, but I didn't film it being put up and finished. So what we made yesterday, if you were wondering, is a hay cube dispenser for my rabbit barn. My rabbits absolutely love these hay cubes. There we go. And they're perfect toys and treats for rabbits, and they're also very inexpensive since I have a number of rabbits. So my dad helped me, or my dad mostly built this, and it's pretty cool. We've just got 2 wood blocks on the back, that way the lid can still open. So we've just got a hinge in the back, which you would have seen yesterday in part of the vlog. So they just come out here, and we can just fill it in the top here with the lid that opens like that. And it's perfect, and the rabbits love the hay cubes. I'm just gonna give one to Decora. Hi, sweetie. Here, you want one? And she's just gonna take it, and she puts it on her mat there, and she likes to eat it back there. And then up there is Tibby and Dixie. So, yeah. So it's not looking super nice outside, so I'm actually going to go clean the rabbits now, which it's just after lunch. So I'm going to go clean them now, and if you want to see more of that, check out my other channel, which I will link down below, and that's my rabbitry channel, so you can see more of my rabbits on there. So it's about 3 o'clock, and I'm just going to be doing a little bit of cooking until 4, and then at 4 I have a number of animal jobs. I have to feed my own rabbits, I have to feed a friend's rabbits, as well as feed the horses, so I'll take you along with me as I do those. But for now, I'm just going to fry up some tofu for something that I'm making later. So yeah. So down here in the shed, we've got the food for that horse. We need to soak her food since her teeth are not good. So we've got this cooler, which we put this bucket in to soak pretty much overnight at this point of day. Then we've got this bucket, which has this type of food, which is like the dry mix that she gets. I think there's flax seeds and some pellets, some minerals and whatever. And then this has hay cubes and beet pellets in it. And we just put it in the cooler, let it soak, and then give it to her twice a day. Guys, look at Dixie and Tibby. I don't know if you can see them super well, but they're so cute. They're just sitting on their little mat, and they're kind of just, let me see if I can get this down without them. Oh, never, they moved. But you can kind of tell. They're trying to hide. See Dixie's ears. They're so cute. They always like cuddle. And it's so adorable to see their relationship. It's super good, and they get along really